How to break up with someone. Relationship dissolution is never simple. Contrary to popular belief, breaking up with someone can be just as emotionally draining as getting dumped. You should always consider your options before deciding to break up with someone. But if you're certain, it's crucial to keep in mind that your soon-to-be ex was once your love. 1. Make sure you really want to break up. Don't use the threat of leaving as a tactic to win an argument for yourself. If you threaten something, be prepared to follow through on your words or remove the threat from the table before you even utter it. Before making a decision, talk about issues with your partner in an honest and transparent manner. Numerous relationships end in divorce because many people endure years of suffering without ever discussing their issues with their partners. 2. Ensure that your choice is well considered. Don't make the decision to split up with your spouse in the heat of the moment, when you're unsteady, or after you've had a rough week and are attributing all of your issues on your relationship. Take the time to consult your parents and close friends before making this crucial decision. They may provide valuable insight into your relationship problems. 3. Pick your time and location appropriately. Pick a time and location where you and the person you're going to dump will have some privacy. 2. Don't end a relationship with someone just before they take a huge test or go for job. If it allows your soon-to-be ex the weekend to recover somewhat, Fridays are a good choice. 4. Make sure to part ways in person, in the majority of cases. No matter how much you hate it, you should end the relationship in person to show your significant other the respect they deserve. 5. Be adamant about ending things. Be forceful when you speak. Being vague in the belief that you may let the other person down, easy, will ultimately lead to more harm. It's not necessary for a breakup to be a dramatic, escalating occurrence. Say clearly that the relationship isn't working for you and that you no longer want to be a part of it. Any other course of action leaves room for debate. 6. Be sincere but gentle. You don't want your partner to leave the relationship wondering why it ended. But you also don't want them to leave knowing the top 20 things you dislike about them. Regardless of whether you feel trapped, used, or disrespectful, just be honest about why the relationship needs to stop. Don't waste time avoiding the subject. 7. Be ready for a negative response. Usually, the person who is being dumped will respond indignantly or with surprise, astonishment, or panic. If they react angrily, try to maintain composure and make an effort to diffuse the situation. Even if they start shouting, keep your voice calm. If things gets out of hand, just go and give them time to calm down. However, make sure to reassure them that you'll be willing to return later, once they've calmed down. Saying, "Oh forget it, I'm out of here," is not sufficient. 8. Set clear parameters for your next encounter. Once the process has started, be courteous but firm about these restrictions and make it obvious that they are inflexible. You can stop them without giving them a chance to explain what went wrong. Make the broken connection as valuable as you can by using it as an opportunity to grow and learn about the kinds of individuals to stay away from. 9. Recognize when to leave. One of the biggest mistakes people make when ending a relationship is letting it drag on into its last stages. Putting an end to shared costs, separating community property, etc. Another thing is to keep hammering a dead horse. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more life-changing content and hit the like button. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day.